Build things. Build things. Build things. I love to build things with Lego bricks. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. She enjoys chatting with friends after school. Collect stamps. Collect stamps. Collect stamps. My uncle collects stamps from different countries. Collect things. Collect things. Collect things. He likes to collect things like coins and postcards. Cook. 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 My mom teaches me how to cook delicious meals. Dance. 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 They love to dance at parties. Do magic tricks. Do magic tricks. Do magic tricks. He can do amazing magic tricks with cards. Do gardening. Do gardening. Do gardening. My grandmother enjoys doing gardening every morning. Do sports. Do sports. Do sports. Children should do sports to stay healthy. Explore. 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 They love to explore new places during their vacations. Fly kites. Fly kites. Fly kites. Kids enjoy flying kites on windy days. Go camping. Go camping. Go camping. We are going camping in the mountains this weekend. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I go for a walk every evening to relax. Go partying. Go partying. Go partying. They love to go partying on weekends. Go shopping, go shopping, go shopping. She goes shopping every Saturday with her friends. Go skateboarding, go skateboarding, go skateboarding. He enjoys going skateboarding at the park. Go swimming, go swimming, go swimming. We go swimming at the beach in the summer. Hang out with friends, hang out with friends, hang out with friends. She loves to hang out with friends at the mall. Jogging, jogging, jogging. My father goes jogging every morning to stay fit. Knit, knit, knit. My grandmother knits scarves in her free time. Listen to music, listen to music, listen to music. I like to listen to music while studying. Mountaineering, mountaineering, mountaineering. They enjoy mountaineering in the Himalayas. Play an instrument, play an instrument, play an instrument. She can play an instrument, especially the piano. Play chess, play chess, play chess. He loves to play chess with his grandfather. Play computer games, play computer games, play computer games. He likes to play computer games in his free time. Read books, read books, read books. She enjoys reading books before bedtime. Sing, sing, sing. He loves to sing at karaoke parties. Sleep, sleep, sleep. I usually sleep early to stay healthy. Surf the net. Surf the net. Surf the net. She spends hours surfing the net every day. Take photos. Take photos. Take photos. I love to take photos of beautiful landscapes. Go to the cinema. Go to the cinema. Go to the cinema. We go to the cinema every weekend. Travel. 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 She dreams of traveling around the world. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. He walks the dog every morning before work. Watch television. Watch television. Watch television. They watch television together after dinner. Billiards. 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 He is very good at playing billiards. Board games. Board games. Board games. We enjoy playing board games on rainy days.